stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm waiting.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Joby May here. If you are new, welcome. I'm Joby May, a mom to two beautiful girls. I upload cleaning, cooking, organization, and mommy vlogs. If you enjoy this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any video of us guys. In today's video, we are going to tidy and organize Hailey's bedroom. I walk you through guys to Hailey's bedroom so you will see how the before and after. The first thing that I'm going to do is I have to tidy the things on the table. All those are Hailey's things. And then after that, I'm going to tidy the bed, or I'm going to make the bed.
We are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do.
So this is the small wardrobe of Hailey guys. As you can see, it's so messy. That is why I really want to organize and declutter of her clothes guys. So this is the before, and you will see the transformation later. So what I did guys is I remove or take out the first shelf, and then I arranged that, I folded and then put them back, and then the second shelf, and then the third shelf. So that's what I did guys. So the top shelf guys of Hailey's wardrobe is where we put her sweater or jumpers guys. Yes.
Yeah, I won't waste this.
Every shelf guys, I cleaned it with my all-purpose multi-spray and then wipe it very well. And then as you can see that I am putting all the clothes, or not clothes but jumpers and sweaters of Hailey. And now I am taking out the second shelf, which where we put her long sleeve shirts.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
Observe that there are other pieces that they don't belong to this shelf, so I segregate them guys.
Push your limits with you right now.
taking out, guys, the third shelf, which where we put her pants, her jeans, guys. Okay guys, so we are going to organize the side of her wardrobe. As you can see, it's so messy and I didn't arrange, guys, into color coding. I just hung up all the dresses that were on the floor of this wardrobe.
Right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night.
And now it's time to take out, guys, the bags, many bags on the floor of this wardrobe, as you can tell. Yes. So there are many kinds and different kinds of bags, guys. Yes, and most of those bags were from my husband's presents when he went abroad. Yes, and also presents from other people or hobbies, colleagues from other countries. So guys, this is now the transformation of Hailey's wardrobe, guys. As you can see that it is more organized than before. Yes, so this is what I did, guys, because you know it's quite difficult if I put all of them in one pile. That's why I prefer to do like this, guys. First drawer, guys, is where I put Hailey's knickers. As you can see, I bought these organizers and it is really so nice. Yeah, it makes the drawer neater and easier to keep her things. And the second drawer, guys, is where we put her socks. And now it's time to vacuum the floor. Yes. Knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of videos. Please leave a very nice comment and hope to see you again, guys, with a brand new video in a couple of days. Bye everyone and stay safe.
How to carry on